Artemis III, set to launch in 2025, marks this bold step. This mission will not only test our technological capabilities but also our resolve to explore the unknown. The Artemis program aims to land the first woman and the next man on the moon, paving the way for future generations of explorers. This mission signifies more than a lunar landing. It represents our commitment to pushing the boundaries of human achievement. The success of Artemis III will inspire countless individuals around the world, reminding us all of the limitless possibilities that lie ahead. 52 years have passed since the last human footprint marked the lunar surface. The Apollo missions laid the groundwork for what we are about to achieve, and now we stand ready to build upon that legacy. Artemis III seeks to rekindle the spirit of exploration that captivated the world. Through rigorous training and cutting-edge technology, our astronauts are prepared to face the challenges of lunar exploration, ensuring that humanity's presence on the moon is both sustainable and transformative. This time, we venture to a new frontier, the lunar South Pole. This region, rich in resources and scientific potential, holds the key to unlocking the mysteries of our solar system. As we explore this uncharted territory, we take one giant leap towards a future where space exploration knows no bounds. The moon's South Pole beckons with secrets waiting to be unlocked. Permanently shadowed craters hold the promise of water ice. This precious resource could fuel future lunar outposts, enabling extended human presence. The unique terrain and lighting conditions offer unparalleled opportunities for scientific discovery. We can delve into the moon's history, understand its formation, and unlock clues about our own planet's past. Artemis III will make history with the first woman and the first person of color to walk on the moon. This groundbreaking mission is not just about setting records, it's about breaking barriers and expanding our horizons. This diverse crew represents the best of humanity, showcasing our ability to come together from different backgrounds and cultures to achieve a common goal. A testament to our collective spirit of exploration, they undergo rigorous training and preparation to ensure the success of their mission. Their courage and expertise will inspire generations to come. They are scientists, pushing the boundaries of what we know about the universe, engineers, designing and building the technology that makes space exploration possible, and explorers, united by a common goal. Their collaboration and teamwork are crucial to overcoming the challenges of space travel. Their mission is our mission, to expand our knowledge, push technological boundaries, and pave the way for future explorations, and inspire future generations to reach for the stars. By witnessing their achievements, young minds will be motivated to dream big and pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. The journey to the moon will be powered by cutting-edge technology. This technology is not just a leap forward, it's a giant stride for humanity. From the advanced spacecraft systems to the high-tech rocket engines, every component is designed with precision and innovation. These advancements are the result of years of research and development pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. NASA's Space Launch System, the most powerful rocket ever built, will propel the Orion spacecraft towards lunar orbit. This rocket is a testament to human ingenuity and engineering prowess. The sheer power and capability of the SLS are unmatched, making it a critical component of our lunar missions. As it roars to life and ascends into the sky, it carries with it the hopes and dreams of countless individuals dedicated to space exploration. SpaceX's Starship, a marvel of engineering, will serve as the lunar lander. This spacecraft is designed to be reusable, reducing the cost of space travel and making lunar missions more sustainable. Its advanced features and capabilities make it an ideal choice for landing on the moon's surface and supporting extended missions. The Starship represents a new era in space travel, where innovation and sustainability go hand in hand. This ambitious mission relies on international collaboration and the ingenuity of thousands of people. Engineers, scientists, and space enthusiasts from around the world have come together to make this mission a reality. Their combined expertise and dedication are what drive the success of this endeavor. It's a global effort, showcasing the power of unity and shared goals in achieving something truly extraordinary. Every step we take on the moon lays the foundation for future missions to Mars and beyond. The knowledge and experience gained from these lunar missions are invaluable. They provide us with the insights needed to tackle the challenges of deep space exploration. Each mission is a stepping stone, bringing us closer to the ultimate goal of exploring the far reaches of our solar system and beyond. Artemis III is a testament to our boundless capacity for innovation and discovery. This mission is not just about reaching the moon, it's about pushing the limits of what we can achieve. The technologies developed for Artemis III will pave the way for future explorations and scientific breakthroughs. It's a mission that embodies the spirit of exploration and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. It is a beacon of hope, a symbol of our collective determination to explore the cosmos and unravel the mysteries of the universe. The Artemis missions inspire us to look beyond our planet and dream of what lies beyond. They remind us that with determination, collaboration, and innovation, there are no limits to what we can achieve. The journey to the moon and beyond is just the beginning of an exciting new chapter in human history.